mushure mekunge ana chibebi honde aposta kuti ari kubhedhla depression iri related kumujolo uri kumusvambura lomunyaka maitete vadecida kumupa mashoko eassurance kuti wako uchamuwana. Ivo vataura vakati ndapinda mu3rd marriage asi ndazomuwana wani. Shinga usagive up. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kune vaya vasati vawana manovel musatambudzike. Ndichakuisirai one chapter mumbowa kuti kuri kudhuka sei kune imwe channel uko. Regai tipinde munyaya yacho. Ana chibebi honde wanyora akati ndiseke henyu, but right now I'm at my lowest. I will laugh per screen, but ndega I'm in prison. I failed again and again. I've decided to stop falling in love. I've decided to stop. I have failed. I love hard, and in the end I fail. Apa nditane futi kutema. Maitete wabwango responda vakati chinzwa kayanga. Me and Anna, we don't vibe, but when I saw this, it touched me emotionally. Dear Yanga, you are not the only one. Just like every woman out there, we want and wish to love once and marry once, but unfortunately the world we live in is cruel. Once a man finds out you love with your all, they target you and call you desperate. They will use you hiding behind the word love, yet they are just taking advantage of what to get from you. Especially when you are a public figure, you even finish your bank balance, trying by all means to please your loved one, hoping to be loved back. I'm in my 3rd marriage and other relationships I have been in, not because I chose to, but all I needed was to be loved. But I ended up being a target. They used me as their bridge and left me hanging. Up to now, I'm labeled Hore, Mbava, etc. All because I loved the wrong ones. It pains, and I'm in your shoes right now. That's why I felt the need to respond to your public post. Regardless, little one, do not lose hope. Your right one is somewhere out there. It's only a matter of time. I found mine, and each and every day, our love grows stronger. Nobody should tell you to quit if you don't want, but give it time. Your soulmate is definitely not dead. I wish you all the best and don't give up. Hugs from Mrs. Candiado. Guys, zvinobva zvanyatsogiva. So uchinzi hugs from Mrs. Candiado, munhu angatonzi aiwa uyu afeila zvelife, but aprova kuti aiwa hatifeile, hati-give up. Tiri veCambridge isu tinonyora chero kusvika kupepa 8 ko tinonyarei naimi. Maitete vamusimbisa musikana vakati do not give up. Secret is not to fall in love, but walk with your legs and your brain intact. Not when you love a man, guys. There is nothing like love with half of your heart. None at all. When you love them too much, they always find a way to see and target you. Trust me, it starts when you see yourself giving them cash, when you see yourself cooking for them the food they didn't even buy, when you start going crazy, when you don't know where they are, and you're not answering your phone calls. And when you find him apologizing to you always, baby, I'm sorry, baby, I'm nyori, baby, I'm nyori, and you keep forgiving them, just know you are with the wrong person. I found him with a girl in his house, not once, not twice, but several times with the same girl. I kept on forgiving that man. God's time is the best. I'm happy where I am, and I'm married with our 2 kids. It is happening to a lot of us women with genuine love, but the world doesn't know because we aren't public. Sometimes I laugh and smile at my titties post, feeling like she's living my life. I once helped a guy out of a situation, and he was busy telling people that ndinochengeta varume, and I'm desperate, as if he knew someone else, when I was just thinking kundikamsimudzawo, he will help us one day. I later realized he was not even my type, and I started blaming myself. Fortunately for me, I lost the edge for love. I actually don't love with my heart. I enjoy time alone more than being with a man. If I accept a man and he starts misbehaving, I can even forget his name the same day. Pain changed me, and I don't do heartbreaks. If I am to fall in love again, that person should be able to understand me, because really, I'm not scared of losing. Amen. Imikani zviri kuitika mumastreets umu, nyika yakatakura kurema, madzimai akarwadziswa kakawanda. So Anna, you are not alone. Sezvauri kungonzwawo mumastreets umu madzimai achitaura kuti hatichatye isu, kuti tichatyei.